Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? So today we are going to talk about how you can use cool technologies such as Visio, Excel, and Flow to drive operational intelligence in your organization. I'm Pratik. I lead product management for Visio, and with me we have Shilpa.
Hey guys, I'm Shilpa. I'm product manager for Visio. I work with Pratik to give you all the cool features which are with Visio right now. We're gonna talk about Flow, Excel, and Visio, how you can drive digital transformation in your organizations.
Let's get started. So when we work with Visio and we have been bringing very cool features, so which are the three pillars that we always keep in mind, which are core to whatever we do, is first, the core to Visio is give you capability to create professional diagrams. We keep on adding new diagram types, and Visio has been used by industry for last 25 years. Second thing that we keep to core is collaboration between within your colleagues in your organization. Collaboration is actually a force multiplier. When multiple people contribute on something, something good comes out of it. And finally, we see that the data is exploding in this environment. We see that the data that has been generated last few years, like it's more than what has been generated since eternity. So data is growing at a very rapid pace. And then there is this need to visualize that data, give you tools so that you can visualize this data seamlessly. Last year, sometime in 2017, we introduced the capability of Data Visualizer, which gives you an easy way to convert data in Excel and convert them into a flowchart or business process diagrams so that it becomes seamless. So we are not just stopping at that, we are extending that to Flow. So once your process has been created, first you work with your organization, your colleagues, to kind of note down your steps, put them down in Excel, and when you want to visualize that, use a tool like Visio so that that process chart has created and everyone has the same picture of what everyone needs to do. We're extending this to Flow, where you can take this flow chart, and Shilpa will show you how that can be done. You can start with that flow chart, annotate with different services, connectors that Flow provides, each shape with these connectors, and export that to Flow, and where you can automate it. So what we have in Data Visualizer, you start with an Excel table where you note down those steps and come to the same page with everyone. We also added the capabilities for bidirectional process modeling. So if some people are very easy working with the Visio canvas, they can make changes to a Visio diagram, and they can sync the Excel data back. But some people, if they're not very conversant with Visio or they're not very good with diagramming, they can make changes to Excel, and that Visio diagram will take those changes and update the diagram so that your diagram and data always remain in sync. And I will now hand it over to Shilpa to show you how this can be done.
Hey guys, so as Pratik told you about data, we have growing data everywhere, and in Excel, I have basically defined a customer feedback process. In each and every organization, we do have a need to basically take customer feedback and analyze that and act on it. So this is a customer feedback form that our organization would have created. It has all the fields, name, organization, email address, all the kinds of rating for product that I will take. I'll just show you the Excel sheet now. So this is the process that I have defined. When a new response is received, this is the process step IDs, which has been tagged with all these steps. And these are the next step IDs, which are related to which will run after these particular steps. So new response is received, get the response details, then add the customer feedback in the SharePoint list, and then analyze some kind of rating and do this and do that. All kind of conditions I've added here. Here I have defined the shape types and functions and phases. You can define all the types of columns that you want. I have used a custom template behind the scenes, and that's why it will convert this data directly into a diagram. Otherwise, you will get a widget wherein you can map all your columns with the kind of shapes, with the kind of lanes, with the kinds of faces that you want to create your diagram. So now I'll just go and export it to Visio diagram. So this is behind the scenes, basically mapping my columns to the shapes that I have already defined in the widget. And That's why and I have used a template wherein I have added few standardized icons of my organization so that you don't have to do all these things again and again. So this is a BPMN process. This is a BPMN diagram that is there. You can see this is a new response received, and this is a condition. It is saying that if my customer feedback, analyze the product satisfaction rating, and if it's greater than 2, send a thank you mail to the customer. If it's less than or equal to 2, go and analyze some more feedback that user might have given us. So here I got the diagram very easily from the data which I captured in Excel. But now here generally what happens that we get stuck. Now we want to automate it. I would have to do all this analysis manually otherwise. So what I can do, generally in large organizations, either the IT department has other priorities, we need to have budget for it. In small organizations, it's too much of task to do to automate it. So I would just like to know about, how many of you know about Microsoft Flow? Hands up, please. Oh, great. And how many of you have used Microsoft Flow? Oh, that's great. So,
And how many of you have been using Visio?
oh, that's really great. So, so some of you who might not know about Microsoft Flow, it's a workflow engine wherein you can automate all these processes. So now when you are stuck over here, you can just take this diagram directly into Flow. I'll show you how you can do that. You can go to Process tab. Here this is the whole bunch of options that we have given for this feature. You can just go and say prepare to export. So what it is doing is that behind the scenes it is basically mapping all these tasks to the shapes which are there in Flow. You can see all these placeholders over here. So by these placeholders, you can specifically specify what type of action or trigger I want to use to implement this particular task. So in the Flow connector, you can just go and click on this particular placeholder. You can specify which connector I want to use. For example, if I want to use forms, let's suppose for implementing this new response received. So I can just go and click here, and it will be applied. I can map all these tasks to some actions or triggers which are there in the Flow. This pane, you will get to see all the actions and triggers which are there in Microsoft Flow. I have already defined an example where I have mapped all these tasks with some actions and triggers which are there in Flow. So now there are other two options. One is show flow markup. If you're worried that my BPMN diagram is not the original one and you want to remove all the flowish information which is here, that like these particular icons, so you can just go and switch it off and this will be gone. This is the original diagram that you have had. If you switch it on, then you will get it back. So this will make it really easy for you to get it reviewed with your peers, with your business management, with your IT. Whichever audience you have, you can collaborate with them very easily. Now, we want to export it to Flow. You can just now go, this diagram is now ready to get exported to Flow. You can just go and export it to Flow. You can give it some name. And you can directly go to Microsoft Flow to check your flow. It has been created. You can go and edit the flow. So here's the diagram. Here's the structure which has been created. You can just go and expand it, and you can see that the whole diagram, the whole BPM process has been created into a flow structure. Now you need to just specify the exact parameters over here. You can pass on which form basically you want to connect to this particular flow. So what you can do is you can create one BPMN diagram and you can standardize it and you can use it multiple times. So the story doesn't end over here. This is just the one thing that you have created a BPMN process and then you are taking it to flow. But the next thing is, if you already have flow and you want to represent it in a form of a diagram, then that will also be supported. I don't have a demo right now for it, but that will be coming with this very soon. So you can take your flow to a diagram. And the other features which you will get to see are you would be able to keep your diagram and your flow in sync. So if you're making any changes in the diagram, you will get to see those in your flow. And if you're making any changes in the diagram, in the flow, you can choose to keep that in sync with your diagram. So it will be a bi-directional things. The other things are, this is just a Microsoft Flow integration. This is our first step towards workflow automation. We are exploring that which other workflow engines we can basically integrate with. The other thing is monitoring workflows. So we just saw that we can create flows from our process diagrams. We can create diagrams from the workflows that are already present. And the other thing is monitoring. You would be able to monitor your workflow, the running of your workflows through Visio diagrams, which will make it very easy for you to basically see where my diagram, where my flow is basically stuck, what I need to do. So this is all about Excel, Visio, and Flow. If you have any other questions, we have a booth over here. You can come down and you can basically sign up to test the early bits of it. Pratik, can you just show up that slide? So you can sign up to test the early bits of it. This will be available probably early next year. We don't have an exact date right now. But we welcome you to the booth to have some extra information if you want to get. Thank you so much.
So if you want to try your hands on right now, we have it available in our booth. But if you would like to get access to the bits earlier than other people, just fill out a survey on this, or you can use the QR code. And we have some minutes so we can take some questions if there are. No.
I create it, but for other users, they don't have Visio, right? They just have an Excel license. Will they be able to edit the Excel?
Yeah, so the question here is that I have an Excel diagram and data is there, but and I want to create a diagram out of it, but some of the other users don't have access to Visio. So, we have heard that feedback earlier also, and I think you should come to our session, which is on Friday, 10:45, where we'll talk about exactly that capability. And we are working on that capability. We're using Visio Online, and it's using the Excel data. You'll be able to embed that Visio diagram right within Excel using an add-in infrastructure, so that you don't have to leave that app, and both the diagram and the data will stay together, and you can keep on refreshing and editing those diagrams. So 10:45 Friday. Yep. So,
what kind of actions available when you...
So the question is, what kind of actions are available with Visio? So in this case, we are directly connecting to Flow. So whatever actions and triggers are available in Flow, all of them are available here. And as soon as they get added or make changes to there, we just sync to Flow and get them on. We are getting those actions and triggers online and keep it updated always. If there are no further questions, please provide your feedback, filling out the survey so that we can improve. And thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.